Like the sharps in the key signature, the flats in the key signature are also ordered by fifths, although in the other direction. The first flat is always B flat. And the order is B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and so on. To become fluent in key signatures, it is best to simply practice identifying and writing them. Looking at a key signature with flat symbols, there are some tricks to identifying the scales they represent quickly. To name this key signature, for example, we locate the last entry, A flat. Because of the tetrachord refunctionalization process in the circle of fifths, which we examined in an earlier lecture, and because of the fact that the flats in the key signature are ordered accordingly, we know this note is scale degree 4. A flat is scale degree 4 in the E flat major scale, so this key signature belongs to E flat major. Here's another shortcut to identifying the key signature. Because scale degree 4 is a perfect fifth below the tonic, remember that scale degree 4 is the subdominant, and because our key signature is ordered by fifths, we locate the penultimate flat symbol. That is the flat symbol before the last one, and locate the tonic of the present scale. Since the second to last entry in the key signature is E flat, this key signature belongs to E flat major. Another way to identify this key signature quickly is to simply know that a scale with 3 flats is E flat major. We can quickly write the key signature for any scale knowing this information. Knowing E flat has 3 flats, place them in the key signature in this specific order. The first 3 flats in the cycle are B flat, E flat, A flat. These are all the lowered scale degree 4s in the scales that we had to cycle through from C major to arrive at E flat major. Again, it might be best to revisit that earlier lecture. B flat is scale degree 4 in F major, E flat is scale degree 4 in B flat major, and A flat is scale degree 4 in E flat major. Writing the key signature for E flat major means that we stop here.